Now, after marathon grilling session on Fridays, the CBI there has summoned Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend and tribe accused Rhea Chakravarti yet again today. In her first grilling by the CBI, she was questioned for 9 hours by the probe agency, during which she was asked 19 questions yesterday. India Today, meanwhile, has accessed the CBI's questionnaire exclusively. During the grilling, Rhea was asked what happened on the 8th of June and whether she spoke to Sushant between June 8th and June 14th. She was also asked about Sushant's health, mental condition. She was also asked whether she was in touch with Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj or Deepesh between the 8th to the 13th of June. The CBI also questioned Rhea about her relationship with Sushant and how they first met, and then they started living together, the entire sequence of events. The probe agency also asked Rhea about Sushant's doctor's visit and whether she gave him medicines or if she at all overdosed him, as claimed by Sushant's family. Rhea was also asked about the Europe trip.
75 days after actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death comes the climax in the death probe. The CBI calls in the prime accused in the case, Rhea Chakravarti. This is the first time that Rhea is questioned by the CBI. Rhea left her Santa Cruz residence at around 10 a.m. after getting summons. Around 11 a.m. reached the DRDO guest house in an Innova to face the special investigation team. Sources tell India Today the CBI had asked Rhea to carry documents related to her bank accounts, properties, doctor's prescriptions and therapy session reports. India Today has accessed a list of 10 straight questions that the CBI confronted Rhea with.
Some of the most important questions to Rhea Chakravarti by CBI are: did you give medicines to Sushant Singh Rajput after the breakup? Before moving out of his house, did you inform about his health to his family members? How were your relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput family? Now, did you take any professional decisions as well as financial decisions on behalf of Sushant Singh Rajput? Now, after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, the line of questionings are: why did you speak to Bandra DCP? Did you try to visit his house after his death? And also, were you in touch with Pithani and Samuel Miranda after his death? Other line of questions are: did you force Sushant Singh Rajput to consume drugs? Were you buying drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput?
The questioning that began at 11 a.m. lasted 9 hours. Rhea's brother Shouvik Chakravarti was also questioned for a second day on Friday. He was quizzed about his sister's relations with Sushant, their Europe trip and the couple's lifestyle. Shouvik was also asked if Rhea informed him about Sushant being diagnosed with depression and the late actor's admission to Hinduja Hospital in Mumbai. On Thursday, Shouvik was interrogated for 11 hours. The CBI also continued interrogation of Sushant's house manager Samuel Miranda, cook Neeraj, and flatmate and friend Siddharth Pithani. Sources say Rhea's confrontation with any other suspect or witness is unlikely at this point.
The CBI is not ruling out any possible angle in this particular case. They are investigating both abetment and also homicide angle. But the sources are telling us the investigation is going to take a long time before coming into any conclusion. With camera person Vaibhav Kangutkar, this is Saurabh Bhaktania in Mumbai for India Today.
Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, the accused here, Rhea Chakravarti's drug link is only getting murkier. India Today has accessed WhatsApp chats from July and August 2019 of a staff member, Sushant Singh Rajput, where she is discussing arranging doobies, which is a slang term for marijuana cigarettes, for themselves and also for Sushant Singh Rajput. Shouvik, Rhea's brother, is also a part of the drug chats along with other staff members of Sushant Singh Rajput. In another chat that has been accessed, Sushant's friend and flatmate Siddharth Pithani also inquired from the staff member if Sushant had marijuana cigarettes. Samuel Miranda had also sent in messages to Rhea informing that the stuff was over. In a chat, another chat there with Riya Chakravarti, Samuel Miranda sent pictures of weed to Riya Chakravarti, to which she responded saying, wow. Responding to the WhatsApp chats, Sushant Singh's sister, Shweta Singh Kirti, has also demanded that those involved in these chats must be arrested. She also questioned what must one conclude of the drug chats. Really, Sushant's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande expressed shock over the chats.
क्योंकि वो लोग
Now, in an exclusive interview with India Today's consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai, Riya Chakravarti said that she had never consumed drugs in her life and that she was ready for any medical tests as well. Here's what she said.
एंड नार्कोटिक्स ड्रग कंट्रोल भी आपको क्वेश्चन कर सकती है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं ये सवाल उठ रहा है कि क्या रिया का ड्रग पेडलर्स, ड्रग डीलर्स के साथ कोई कनेक्शन है।
ये यही बचा था ना अब मेरे ऊपर डालने के लिए कि इस लड़की को इतना क्रूसिफाई कर दो। मैं तो बोलती हूँ एक बंदूक के ले आओ, मेरी फैमिली लाइन से खड़ी हो जाएगी, गोली मार के उड़ा दो हमें, नहीं तो हम ही सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, फिर कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा। I deny all these allegations. They are absolutely baseless. और मैं इनके डिटेल्स में सिर्फ एक रीजंस के लिए नहीं जाना चाहूंगी कि ये मेरे आगे की इन्वेस्टिगेशन और केस को तंग कर सकता है।
फिर भी मैं पूछूंगा और आप अपना जवाब दे सकती है। 3 चैट्स है। 2017 में एक चैट होती है एक होटेलियर गौरव आर्या के साथ, जहां कहा जाता है कि आप एक तरह से एमडीएमए ट्राई करना चाहती है। आप कहती हैं मैरिजुआना के बारे में बात होती है। इन केस वी स्पीक अबाउट हार्ड ड्रग्स, आई हैवंट डन टू मच, ट्राइड एमडीएमए वंस। ये मैसेज व्हाट्सएप का सब चैनल्स पर चल रहा है। ये 2017 में है। आपने कभी एमडीएमए लिया है?
जी नहीं, आई हैव नेवर टेकन एनी ड्रग्स।
तो ये ट्राइड एमडीएमए वंस?
नेवर, एंड आई एम विलिंग टू डू अ ड्रग टेस्ट।
सो यू डिनाई दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन?
आई डिनाई।
विद गौरव आर्या?
यस।
यू डोंट नो हिम?
No, I do know him, but I deny the contents of this conversation and I will like to reserve the rest of this for the investigation.
In 2019, एक जया करके है आपकी दोस्त, उसके साथ भी एक कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है जहां कहा जाता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आप चाय में सीबीडी डाल दीजिए, जो एक तरह से कैनबिस से जुड़ी हुई है, ड्रग से जुड़ी हुई है, लेकिन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन भी है। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, आप सुशांत को सीबीडी क्यों देना चाहती थी? यह कहा जाता है चाय के प्याले में आप सीबीडी डालिए।
मैं नहीं देना चाहती थी। उन्होंने जया से एक ऑल्टरनेटिव थेरेपी मांगी थी और उनकी आपस में कोई बात हुई थी जिसकी सिर्फ कोऑर्डिनेशन मेरे फोन पे है। ना मैंने उनके चाय में कुछ डाला, उन्होंने खुद किया होगा जो किया होगा। लेकिन अगेन सर, I don't want this to interfere in my investigation, so I don't want to continue this.
Fair enough. My third one is 2020 Samuel Miranda का एक कॉन्वर्सेशन आया हुआ है कि स्टॉक इज ओवर। इससे यह पता चलता है कि या तो आप ड्रग ले रही थी या सुशांत ले रहा था। सच्चाई क्या है?
इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट कि किसी के गुजर जाने के बाद हमें उनकी वाइसेस को ऐसे एक्सप्लॉइट करना होता है, पर अब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। यस, सुशांत यूज्ड टू स्मोक मैरिजुआना और हाँ, वो काफी रेगुलरली पीते थे। मुझसे मिलने से पहले से पीते थे। इनफैक्ट केदारनाथ की शूटिंग या उससे जरा सा पहले से उन्होंने शुरू किया था ये। और मैं इनफैक्ट उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी। सिर्फ इसी डिपार्टमेंट में मैं उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी, मैं कट डाउन करने की कोशिश करती थी। लेकिन ही वॉज अ मैन ऑफ हिज ओन चॉइसेस। ही वॉज अ ग्रोन मैन who chose what he wanted to do and nobody could stop him.
You did not encourage him to take drugs?
Absolutely not. In fact, I have a
Even
chat.
though he was on the habit, वो ड्रग पर है, लेकिन आपने कभी उनको encourage नहीं किया?
नहीं, मैंने
You didn't try to stop him?
I tried to stop him. I tried to stop him and I tried to tell him to reduce it. But it is something he would do. I never indulged in any
Here
kind
is a
of
man
drugs.
in depression, he's taking drugs. Isn't that a serious situation to be in? I mean, it must have been therefore difficult for him, and you're saying you were unable to stop the person you loved so much.
Exactly, which is my main point, that Sushant did exactly what he wanted to do. If he wanted to smoke drugs, he would smoke drugs. If he wanted to take medication, he would take medications. If he didn't want, nobody on earth could convince him.
And you have never taken drugs with him?
No.
Now, the Narcotics Control Bureau began its probe into Riya Chakravarti's drug links after Enforcement Directorate intimidated the Bureau about the purported drug-linked chats. In fact, the Anti-Narcotics Agency is now probing the additional leads provided by the Enforcement Directorate and is likely to summon people featured in Riya's WhatsApp conversations obtained by the ED from her mobile phone after forensic cloning. Riya's brother Shouvik Chakravarti, talent manager Jaya Saha, hotelier Gaurav Arya and Sushant's ex-house manager Samuel Miranda will also be summoned. In fact, the Narcotics Bureau has also asked its informers to gather information regarding people listed out in the chats provided by Enforcement Directorate. The NCB has distributed work to different teams now to probe the drug angle. Now, the Narcotics Control Bureau is likely to summon Riya Chakravarti soon, her brother Shouvik, Sushant's ex-house manager Samuel Miranda, an alleged drug dealer Gaurav Arya, who's a hotelier. He may also be summoned. Meanwhile, the Enforcement Directorate too has widened the probe into Riya and the drug link that has been established.
The probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's death has now entered the dark underbelly of Bollywood. After the CBI and ED, the Narcotics Control Bureau has got involved in the case after serious charges of a drug link to the actor's death. An NCB team which reached Mumbai on Thursday is probing reports of an active drug cartel within the film industry that works with a wide network of this. WhatsApp chats of Riya Chakrabarti are being used as evidence to show that the group around Sushant discussed drugs. In one of the messages in 2017, Riya asked Gaurav Arya, a Goa hotelier, about MD, a party drug commonly known as ecstasy. On November 25, 2019, Jaya Saha, a talent manager, messaged Riya asking her to add 4 drops of something in coffee, tea or water and give it to Sushant. The Enforcement Directorate has now told both Gaurav Arya and Jaya Saha to join its probe.
समन्स अभी सिर्फ समन्स दिया है उसके नाम पे, अभी देखो बाकी बाद में हो जाएगा। अभी कुछ नहीं।
ऑफिसर ने क्या बोला सर? किस समन्स किस क्या?
अभी तो कुछ नहीं बोला है।
अंडर क्या सेक्शन में समन्स है सर?
We are at the Tamarind Hotel of Anjuna area of Goa. This hotel belongs to Gaurav Arya, the person whose WhatsApp messages with Riya Chakrabarti came into light during the investigation of Sushant Singh Rajput's alleged suicide case, and the chat were suspected to be of some kind of drugs deal. But now you can see this hotel is locked from inside. The neighbors and the locals say that Gaurav is inside, but he's not opening the door despite ringing the bell many times and knocking on the doors.
Riya Chakrabarti has denied allegations that she dealt in drugs, although she claimed that Sushant regularly used marijuana.
Yes, Sushant used to smoke marijuana. और हाँ, वो काफी रेगुलरली पीते थे, मुझसे मिलने से पहले से पीते थे। इनफैक्ट केदारनाथ की शूटिंग या उससे जरा सा पहले से उन्होंने शुरू किया था ये, और मैं इनफैक्ट उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी। सिर्फ इसी डिपार्टमेंट में मैं उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी।
Sushant's family claims the actor was forcibly being given drugs by Riya.
उसके मर्जी के बिना, उसको बिना बताए हुए, उसको छुपा करके उसके पानी में या उसके कॉफी में डालना, ये तो बहुत ही संगीन इनका अपराध है, और इस अपराध के लिए उनका जितनी निंदा की जाए कम है।
While the jury is still out on whether Riya drugged Sushant using a circle of friends, the NCB's probe could bring out some embarrassing aspects of Bollywood's seedy side. With Abhishek Anand and Arvind Oja, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, the Enforcement Directorate has widened its probe into the drug link involving Riya Chakravarti there. India Today has tracked down the mysterious man in the drug chats with Riya named Gaurav Arya. The Enforcement Directorate has put a notice at Gaurav Arya's hotel in Goa. He has been asked to produce himself before the probe agency on the 31st of August. WhatsApp chat messages in 2017, which was accessed by India Today, shows that Riya asked Gaurav Arya for MDMA, a party drug. And in another chat, Riya also told Gaurav that she hadn't done too many hard drugs except for MDMA once. Not only Gaurav, the probe agency will also be summoning others with whom Riya Chakravarti had similar conversation and interaction with connected to banned substances.
And this is the book.
Now let's shift focus to this special report explaining Riya's version on the missing 15 crore rupees, which Sushant's family alleges that Riya has siphoned off. But speaking to India Today, Riya denies any such 15 crore rupees that ever existed in the first place. Let's take a listen.
More than a month after Sushant Singh Rajput's father filed an FIR in Patna accusing Riya Chakrabarti of embezzlement, the amount of 15 crore rupees mentioned remains a mystery. So far, no proof has surfaced showing transfer of 15 crore rupees from Sushant's bank accounts to Riya Chakrabarti. Riya, in an exclusive interview to India Today, gave her version of where that number came from. She claims Sushant had a verbal offer from producer Vashu Bhagnani and director Rumi Jaffrey for a film. The actor was reportedly promised 15 crore as remuneration.
सुशांत को इस फिल्म के लिए वाशु सर जो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर थे वाशु भगनानी और रूमी सर के साथ एक मीटिंग हुई थी जिसमें वाशु भगनानी ने सर ने सुशांत को कहा था उनकी म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग में आई थिंक द अमाउंट वाज 15 crores that was decided.
Riya claims Sushant had shared the news with his family.
सुशांत इस बात से काफी खुश था और ये फरवरी के महीने में हुआ था जिस वक्त उनके सिस्टर और ब्रदर इन लॉ ओपी सिंह जी बांद्रा में उन्हें मिले थे. उस वक्त सुशांत उन्हें गुड न्यूज देने गया था और उसने उन्हें गुड न्यूज दी थी.
She claims that the transaction never took place as the lockdown delayed the entire filmmaking process.
ऑन पेपर कुछ साइन नहीं हुआ, ये वर्बल अग्रीमेंट था जिससे सब लोग खुश थे पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली लॉकडाउन हो गया था उसके बाद एंड हम लोग मई में शुरू करने वाले थे. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वर्क मार्च अप्रैल में शुरू हो जाता जो पोस्टपोन हो गया जिस वजह से कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन उनके बीच में भी नहीं हुआ.
There are media reports from March 2020 that claim Sushant had signed his next film with Bhagnani. Producer Bhagnani, who's reportedly in Scotland now, is yet to react to Riya's claims. The director Rumi Jaffrey also hasn't responded. Sushant's family is sticking to their charge.
Money laundering can be in several ways. You may withdraw cash from the account and keep accumulating that money. A girl who has had only 40 lakhs as her annual expenditure, if there is 60, 70 or 80 lakhs cash withdrawal from the account in the year, in which there is supposed to be for office expenses when there was no office running, then that money is clearly laundered money.
While Sushant's family insists the actor was swindled of huge amounts of money, proving it in the court will be tough. For that, the investigators will have to establish a money trail. Bureau Report, India Today.
Chennai Super Kings have suffered a massive setback ahead of IPL in UAE after 10 to 12 members, including one player, have tested positive for COVID-19. Among those who tested positive are members of support staff and their digital team. All the members have been isolated from the team following development leading to postponement of their training. The IPL is all set to begin on the 19th of September. According to sources, the franchisee organized a camp in Chennai before they flew out to UAE, and that is when members may have gotten affected.